Hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about landing pages. I have a lot to cover in this video today. We're going to be showing live examples of some landing pages that people are running, as well as some that I use for high converting campaigns on Google search ads. We're going to talk about why we need these landing pages. We're going to talk about a checklist on all the things you need for your landing pages and much more. So let's get started. Welcome. This video has been inspired by another comment on the channel, which was from the last video where somebody asked for some examples of some high converting landing pages because I was talking about Google ads and Google search ads and how I've been able to spend over $7 million running affiliate offers with Google ads. So today we're going to talk about landing pages and we're going to talk about why we need them and all of that kind of stuff. So basically, why do we need a landing page? First of all, the main reason, especially on Google ads or Facebook ads or TikTok or any paid ad platform, is if we're not using a landing page, we could immediately get banned if we're direct linking to affiliate offers. And the reason for that is because a lot of these affiliate offers are using redirects from affiliate marketing platforms like Cake or Tune or Everflow, and they're using these redirects. And when these ad platforms see a redirect, they immediately flag it because they think that there's something else happening here. And plus, a lot of bad players out there can change where that redirect goes later once an ad has been approved. So a lot of these platforms now only support parallel tracking, meaning you have to send your traffic directly to your own landing page. So that's the number one reason why we need it. But I guess the other number one reason why we need it is because it acts as a pre-sell and it gives us better conversion rates and it gives us control over something that allows us to beat our competition. Meaning if we can create a better landing page that's faster, has a better conversion rate, has better headlines, better calls to action, we can essentially get cheaper traffic, we can get more conversions, and we can beat our competition. And that is why really we need landing pages. So you might want to take the lazy route and direct link. Really, it's just hurting you in the end. So how do we build landing pages that convert, especially on Google search ads? And that's where we're going to focus on today is Google search ads, because this is in relation to the last video where I was talking about keyword research. I'll pop that video up now. But now when we're talking about landing pages for search ads, it really comes down first to what is the intent of the user? What are they searching for? And where are they in the marketing funnel? Are they just looking for information or are they looking to purchase right now? And that's going to really define how we build our landing pages and our campaign structure. So we're going to just talk about a couple general practices here, and I'm going to bring up the toolkit that I use for building out media buying campaigns. So let's pull that up now. And here you can see the Ultimate Media Buying Toolkit, 5 crucial checklists for launching profitable ad campaigns. This is at the Powerhouse affiliate blog and basically available for our members, but we're going to go into the landing page section today. We do cover niches, offers, landing pages, and planning your campaigns, optimizing and all that stuff. But today we're going to focus on this, the landing pages. Now, I did another video on the YouTube channel that you can get access to. I will pop that up as well. And basically it talks about 6 landing page hacks that are also things you should consider putting into your landing page. So check that video out as well. The tools I use to build my landing pages are WordPress, Optimize Press plugin, and the WordPress Rocket plugin. The reason for that is because Optimize Press really has a lot of tools that we can use for our landing pages, and you can actually get access to it here at powerhouseaffiliate.com/optimizepress. That's my referral link. There's also a link down below in the description if you want to use my referral link. And basically it gives us a builder with a ton of different features, including it's mobile optimized. It also has the ability to sell your own products in the future if you want. You can use multiple themes that they have and templates, and you can also share templates. So if you build something, you can, let's say you build a big long listicle, you could save that as a template. You can either use it again on another website or you can share it with somebody else on your team. So it's great for that. So the next thing, once we have our niche selected and all that kind of stuff, and we want to start building out the landing page itself, the tool that you can check out is our checklist here. And this is basically the landing page setup checklist. And it's based on certain things that you need to have on your landing page. And I'm going to show some examples here so that you can see what I'm talking about. But basically, let's just use an example because it'll be a lot easier to talk about this if we use an example. So let's say we find an offer on an affiliate network for skin tag removal. And these offers can sometimes pay $100 to $125 or even more for a conversion if we can sell a skin tag removal product. And I've actually ran this on Google Ads myself. So let's go to Google and let's search skin tag removal. Now, if somebody's searching skin tag removal, they don't really know yet what product they want. They're not really searching for a specific product. So in this case, a landing page might be built around top products. And you can see when you look at the sponsored ads, you can see 5 best skin tag removals 2024, which is an affiliate because this is stuff we do as affiliates. You can see here 5 best skin tag removals. So they've built a landing page around the fact that this person searching still doesn't know what they're looking for. So hopefully we can convince them that one of these top 5 products is going to solve their problem. And that's a typical example. Now, on the other spectrum, let's just say now that the person does know what they're looking for, and now they're going further down the funnel. So depending on your keyword research and your ad groups, you might have a different landing page for a different ad group if you're looking for somebody that's searching for this. So if we go take this and we search it on Google, we might see that same person with the top 5, but we might see some other people here running as well. You can see the actual product is here, but right now we don't see anybody doing any brand bidding on that product. So what other things you need to consider is what type of product it is. If this is an oil type of product and this is maybe some cream somewhere else or whatever it is, here's another one here. These are different types of products that are similar. So you could also have an ad group focused on that, and then you could have those types of products. And I used an example in our Google Ads masterclass around snoring that talks about the different types of snoring products, because you have mouthpieces, you have nose clips, you also have other things that people use for snoring. So there's all these different types of things that you would have separately on different landing pages. So just keep that in mind when you're building your landing page. It's not a one size fits all. It's going to be different for wherever they are in the funnel and the products you're actually running. So now let's look at some examples of a landing page that I've ran on Google. So if you come into the Powerhouse Affiliate Forum and you click on resources, we do have some landing page templates in here that we share, and we add some regularly. And coming in here, I want to show a great example of one campaign that really did extremely well. And I've done this one not only for baseball, but also for football and basketball and every sport that I could think of, because what I was promoting here was Fubo TV as an affiliate. So Fubo TV is an online sports streaming product, and it paid roughly $25 per trial. And basically what I would do is I would set up a ad right when the person was at the highest intent. Basically, watch MLB streaming now, right when the baseball game is running. So you know that their intent is high. They're probably going to convert if they find something that they can watch football or baseball on immediately. So that's why this page was so aggressive, with just a little bit of information, all of the features of the product, and trying to get them with a bunch of calls to action here. Watch sports now, watch sports now. And this actually worked out extremely well. So what are the features of this that really did well? Well, first of all, it's the headline. The headline matches what the user intent was. They wanted to watch baseball because there was a baseball game running at the time, and it was even better when it was playoff season or anything like that. Basically, I had the main headline here with some calls to action and some really nice images, and it looks professional. It's fast loading, and when you come down, it gives you more information. If you're not ready to pull the trigger yet, here you're going to get more details, more features of the actual product, and boom. I'm not doing a big long sales pitch because the next page they go to, which is Fubo, they're going to do the sales pitch. I'm just trying to pre-sell them and get people to my website to click through. So the click-through rate was extremely high. It was a high converting page, and this is what I would use if I was doing streaming again. And you can actually get access to this landing page template inside Powerhouse Affiliate if you want to do something similar. There's many ways to do this. You could do it for movies, you could do it for TV shows, whatever, documentaries. There's tons of streaming services out there, and you could pretty much, there's an endless supply of different angles you could use something like this for. Okay, so here is another landing page example I wanted to show, and it's actually a great example for this time of year because really it's Q4 and a lot of people are searching for gift ideas. And so one thing that I found when I did my keyword research for this particular niche was that the gift ideas keyword is actually quite affordable. It's very cheap, and especially when you go into different countries outside of the United States, it's even less expensive for clicks. So this is an example of a landing page, and you can see this one's around Mother's Day, but you can use it pretty much any day of the year if you say your mom's birthday, whatever it is, right? Every day is somebody's mom's birthday. And you could use another landing page like this, which is a listicle. So you can see here, as you scroll down, it's a very standard listicle with a bunch of different products on it because these people don't know what they're looking for. When somebody's searching gift ideas for mom or gift ideas for her, they don't necessarily have any idea yet. So you have to give them ideas. So the more ideas you give them on this landing page, the more likely you are to get a conversion. They are top of funnel, sometimes mid funnel, and they are ready to purchase, but they just don't know yet what they want. So this is an excellent example of where you would use this type of landing page for that intent based on what they're searching for. So keep that in mind when you're building your landing page. It all comes down to what they are intending to do, where are they in the funnel, and what is the most likely scenario that they are going to convert. So looking at the landing page checklist for some more specifics around your landing page, let's talk about this for a minute, and then we're going to talk about how to find more examples of landing pages. So first of all, we want to have a clear value proposition. I'm not going to read through all of these because you can access it on the blog. You want to have relevant content based on the user's search. So if they're searching for skin tag removal, you're not going to have stuff for acne, okay? You're going to be talking about skin tags. And you want to have a strong call to action, and I always have my calls to action above the fold and then throughout the article. If it's an article or a listicle or just a general product sales page, there's got to be a ton of calls to action. And in those calls to action, you're going to have things like 50% off or get it today or claim your copy, see if there's an available discount, whatever it is. You have to try different calls to actions. You're going to constantly be split testing using tools like CPV Lab Pro. Visual appeal. You have to look professional here. You can't have a page from 1990 thinking it's going to convert. People are very sensitive when it comes to trust factor. So when you have a really ugly page, it's just not going to work. So look at other people's examples and see what they're doing. And if you don't know how to do it, use a tool like Optimize Press or ClickFunnels or any of those tools out there. They've all been built with professional templates and real designers. Mobile optimization. Most of my conversions happen on mobile now. It's a fact. Trust and credibility. You want to be able to A/B split test, so you want to make sure that you have the ability to do that. Clear navigation. We talk about that in the Google Ads Masterclass 2.0 course, which you can find down below. Talk about more ways to use navigation in your ads and why it's important. Fast load times, of course, you need that, and you got to make sure it's compliant with Google Ads or Facebook ads or TikTok. And then tracking in pixels, again, more advanced stuff that we cover in our courses. So how can you find more landing pages? Let's go back and let's use the skin tag removal example. So one thing I can do is I can grab this domain name here, and I'm going to take it over to a tool called SEMrush, which I talk about quite a bit on this channel. You can get 14 days free at powerhouseaffiliate.com/SEMrush. Link down in the description. Again, referral link. and we have reviewedbeauty.com. Search. Let's see what we can find, because what we want to look at is maybe some more landing pages that this person is using. We're not going to be copying landing pages. It's the worst thing you can do, because really these ad platforms know when you're duplicating, and if somebody's already been running for several months or years, they're not just going to let some guy come in with the exact same landing page and give them all that traffic. And plus, this person's probably been testing and tweaking and also optimizing their own data. So you have to come in fresh. Just use these more like as inspiration for ideas, but you're not going to be ripping people's pages. It's just not going to work for you, trust me. So then you can click on competitors. If you don't want to just see all their landing pages, click on competitors, and now we can start to see some more landing page examples. You can see another one here, another listicle. And now you can not only find out landing pages, but you can find offers to promote for yourself as well if you want to get into this niche. The list goes on. I'm not going to go through all these landing pages, but there's a whole list of landing pages you can check out for your particular topic or niche, whatever product you want to run. And then to take it a bit deeper, if you want to look at the intent and what they're actually doing in terms of what keywords they're targeting and why are their ads showing that landing page, you can take it a step further and you can look at their ad copies. So you look at the ad copy and you can see which keywords are triggering that ad. So you just click that button here and you can see what is the best way to remove skin tags. Again, a top of funnel type of keyword, a long tail keyword, probably not very expensive. Now they're using this as their strategy to send it to a listicle. So there's so much more about landing pages that I could cover, but check out that other video. Also come check out this checklist if you want to do some serious media buying. And don't forget to check out the Google Ads Masterclass 2.0 down below. And you'll also get access to our templates inside our forum. If you have any other questions or you want me to cover another topic on the channel, please don't forget to comment and I will take it into consideration for the next video. And thanks for watching.